SociJAM Extreme membership is upgrade version from SociJAM software. With SociJAM Extreme membership you can learn, earn and automate everything, training. Step-by-step bite-sized videos approx 5 minutes each in case you want to understand the how of online marketing. Done for you. Each training piece has complete templates formatted and ready for you to use. One click and they're ready to go. Save your posts. Save countless hours reformatting your posts every time you find a winner. Save them. Automation on 30+ sites. Profit even easier using this social sharing bonus software. Automate your social shares and save time, plus our exclusive bonuses currently totaling over $3,000 in real-world value. Features and benefits. Here is what you'll get inside Extreme Level SociJAM Upgrade. SociJAM Extreme gives you the ultimate advantage in your social media marketing. You're not just getting another piece of software or a ton of training you might use someday. You'll be getting your hands on the latest internet marketing training, done-for-you written templates, software and bite-sized step-by-step actionable training. Add that together with an entire year of piece-by-piece training and support, you'll be able to start making more money in these next few weeks than you've ever done online before. Get access to our MAGIC Thesaurus. The MAGIC Thesaurus is like Grammarly for marketers. When you run the SociJAM spam filter over your content, you'll find words that are considered spam by social media platforms and email service providers. These will be highlighted in yellow. With this upgrade, you can use this MAGIC Thesaurus to simply hover over a highlighted word, and the software will suggest alternative words based on actual words used from other SociJAM customers. The thesaurus is updated frequently and will continue to evolve as more and more people suggest better and more professional ways of expressing the same thing. For example, did you know that the phrase "for you" is one of the words that is flagged as spam? It's very easy for bots to see that if you use the word "for you," it is commonly associated with marketing and advertising, so your emails and sometimes even your ads can get flagged. Here are a few sample replacements of "for you" as suggested by the MAGIC Thesaurus private Facebook group and live masterminds. Pro Extreme members get access to our private Facebook group. In this group you'll be able to connect with other Extreme members, share your best ideas and connect and network with other like-minded marketers. Members share their best posts and these are added into the MAGIC Thesaurus to grow it organically. Font menu and dynamic code sharing. Our goal with SociJAM is to build the ultimate social media editor that you'll want to use every day. For that reason, we added a large selection of fonts you can use with your social media to really make your messages stand out. You can also save your posts to the cloud and share a unique code with other SociJAM members or your staff so that they can use the exact same format. This is a real-time saver. SociJAM Pro Extreme is designed with the word flow in mind. We've designed SociJAM Pro Extreme to be so streamlined that you have everything you need at your fingertips to craft any post, article, tweet, ad, or email. All in one place. As you write, you can save, work, check your words, save, share and insert images. All in one place. No need to switch back and forth between different applications. You'll quickly find that SociJAM 2 Pro Extreme will save you a ton of time and improve your workflow for all your marketing. It is the tool that our customers use every day for all their marketing and promotional needs. You'll get an entire year's worth of templates each month to use over and over, customize, save and profit. All at this once-off price, only available from this page today. Or if you'd prefer to pay monthly, we've also provided that option for you too. Still not sure? Well, we want to remove any doubt, so we're also going to include our no questions asked money back 30-day guarantee. We know you'll love it, so why not try it? We have absolutely no doubt that you'll love the extra benefits, training and SociJAM upgraded features that you can try this out for 30 full days. If for any reason you're not satisfied with your extreme upgrade, you can simply ask for a refund. Your investment is covered by my 30-day money-back guarantee. You have absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain with this fantastic offer and guarantee.